For my next video, I'd like to do one on a update that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra just received, and we'll go over a little bit about it. There's not a whole lot. It's primarily, I believe, just a security update, but it was about a half a gigabyte depending on your area, region, etc. So it has what I think more than just security updates. So anyway, let's dig right in, as I would say. So security is protected with improved security. Changes vary on the model, as I said. To get the best from your device, please keep your device up to date, etc. And then there is the change log. When you go to that, you will see this, and it's build that ends in BYIF. So if you don't have that, you don't have the newest and up-to-date version, released October 27th, which is when I'm making this video. And it came in, like I said, about a half a gig, 500 and some odd meg, but it only lists security. The device is protected with improved security. These changes may vary depending on the model, country, network operator. But like I said, at a half a gigabyte, that's more normally than just security. So if you can put some comments down below, and if you know any of the newer updates that you got with this update, let me know and I can potentially do a video on it. But for now, I just want to go over and let everybody know you need to grab the update. And of course, whenever I do one of these videos, I always like to show you how to do it if you don't know. So you want to go to your settings, scroll down, software update, download and install, and as you can see, last checked on, so I'm going to have the latest version, and there it is, BYIF 1 UI 8 Android version 16, and it'll also tell you there what it is. And okay, here we go. It was 532.79 megabytes, or about a half a gig, right about. So again, that's not small, and I can't imagine that's all just security. So there's got to be something new there change-wise. So I'll continue on. This video was primarily just to let you know, grab the update and keep your phone up to date always. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.